How to use Instagram Stories link sticker is what I'm going to show you in this video. First step would be to open up your Instagram app and then create a story post like you usually would by clicking the plus icon on your profile picture in the top left. Now take a picture or upload a pre-made story from your gallery. Now once you're here, you can edit your story, and in order to get the stories link sticker, click the sticker icon in the center top right. Now you can either search for link, or as you can see for me in the bottom right it says link. Click that. Now enter the URL you want people to go to once they click your link. Let's say www.youtube.com. Now click done in the top right, and as you can see there is your stories link sticker. You can now tap the sticker to change its looks. You can drag it to increase its size and rotate it like any other sticker. Now you can add text, say go visit, change the text, there you go visit, add an icon, say click, there you go. Now send to, share on your story, done. Okay, now on your story, this is being posted, and once this is being posted, you will see the stories link sticker will be active, and you can click it, and then you will get to youtube.com. There we go. You can now click it, visit link. Now it's loading, and we're getting to youtube.com. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.